This is given that 4 consecutive terms of a sequence are 50, 45, x, and y. We want to state the value of y minus x if the sequence is an arithmetic progression. For an arithmetic progression, we have common difference. So we know that 45 minus 50 is actually equal to y minus x, right? Which is their common difference. So y minus x is equal to -5. Okay, so how about B? We want to find the value of y over x if the sequence is a geometric progression. For geometric progression, we have common ratio. So 45 divided by 50 is equal to y divided by x, right? So y over x is equal to, you just simplify this fraction, divided by 5 divided by 5. So y over x is equal to 9 over 10. Now let's look at the second question. A cylindrical woolen block is cut into pieces for decoration purposes. Diagram 7 shows the first 3 pieces that have been cut and the remaining part. The angle of the sector increases by a constant amount for each subsequent piece. So we know that this is an AP, arithmetic progression. A total of n pieces can be cut from this block. The angle of sector of the fourth piece is 3 times the angle of sector of the smallest piece. Okay. T4 is 3 times the angle of sectors of the smallest piece, which is the first piece, T1. So T1, I can write A as well, right? So the first term for an arithmetic progression or the first term for a geometric progression, we can normally use A to represent that. Okay, now the sum of the angle of the sectors for the first 4 pieces is 72 degrees. S4 is 72. So for the first part, we want to find the angle of sectors in degree for the smallest piece, means that we want to find the value of A. So now we can use these two given information to form 2 equations that we just solve them simultaneously. So T4, remember this is increased by a constant amount, so this is an AP, arithmetic progression. So we need to use arithmetic progression formula. T4, A plus n minus 1, which is 4 minus 1 times D, is equal to 3 times A, right? Because T1 is A. Now, A plus 3D is equal to 3A. So 3D is equal to 3A minus A, which is 2A. Okay, this is the first equation. Now let's go to this one and form another equation. So as for n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 will be 4 minus 1 times d is equal to the sum to the n term, right? So this is fourth, S4 sum to the 4 terms, 72. Okay, so this is 2. 2a plus 3d is equal to 72. So move the 2 over here, become divide 72 divided by 2, you will get 36. So 2a plus 3d is equal to 36. Now we have successfully formed the second equation. Now what do we need to do next is just solve them simultaneously. So from the first equation, we know that 2a is actually equal to 3d, right? So substitute. Or you can do another way, 3d is equal to 2a. Now, substitute the first equation into the second equation. 2a plus 3d. From here we know 3d is actually equal to 2a. So I just write 2a is equal to 36. Now this is 4a is equal to 36. So a is equal to 36 divided by 4, which will give you 9. Okay. The angle of the smallest sector is 9 degree. Okay, so I will find the common difference as well. I think I need to use this for part B. Substitute A equal to 9 into the first equation. Now, 3D is equal to 2 times A. So 3D is equal to 18. D is equal to 18 divided by 3, which will give you 6. Now, let's go to part B. We want to find the value of n. A total of n pieces. So we know that total must be 360 degrees, right? So it means that Sn, so this is part B, Sn is equal to 360. So Sn, use a Sn formula for AP. N over 2, I don't know n, I want to find n. 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, you will get 360. Now what do we need to do? Just we need to find the value of n. So this n, this is divided by 2, right? I'm going to move it over here, become times 2. So 360 times 2, you will get 720. So here you will get 2 times 9, which is 18, plus 6n minus 6. Okay, so 360 times 2, 720. Okay, so this is n times 18 minus 6, you get 12. Okay, do some expansion over here. 12n plus 6n squared minus 720 is equal to 0. So let me rearrange all these terms nicely. 6n squared plus 12n minus 720 is equal to 0. So you can press your calculator, or I'm going to make the number become smaller first. Divide the whole equation by 6 n squared plus 2n minus 120. Okay. Let me use my calculator to help me do the factorization. N minus 10, another one will be n plus 12. Okay. So n minus 10 is equal to 0. We are using the zero product properties. Two number they multiply, if you get 0, one of them must equal to 0, right? Or n plus 12 is equal to 0. So n is equal to negative 12 and n is equal to 10. This one not accepted because n, it cannot be negative here. Not accepted. So our answer, n is equal to 10.